Hi, my name's Hazem, and today I'm going to show you a duress alarm that we not just installed, not just built, but we totally designed from the ground up to meet the specific needs of the customer. So originally the customer wanted to have these blue strobe sirens when the duress button was pulled, and they liked this specific model of button. But the siren issue, the sirens can be loud and irritating. So we said, how can we make this better? What can we do to tell the users exactly where the duress is? And so you'll notice we got jazz music playing. We've got these relaxing 2x2 speakers. They fit right in the ceiling grid. They're very, very good, and they can run off one amplifier. You can cover, an entire floor of an office space with them. And so now you'll also notice we've got our Bosch alarm system, and then when we go here, let's see what happens when we pull one of our duress buttons. So 4 things are happening right now. First, music got interrupted.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A duress alarm has been triggered in the self-boardroom. I repeat, a duress alarm has been triggered in the self-boardroom.
Puis-je avoir votre attention, s'il vous plaît? Puis-je avoir votre attention, s'il vous plaît? Une alarme de contrainte a été déclenchée dans la salle du Conseil Sud. Je répète. Une alarme de contrainte a été déclenchée dans la salle du Conseil Sud.
Now, the second thing that's going on is we got a strobe right where we pulled the duress button, so staff can respond to the emergency. And then we've got the third thing happening. We've got additional strobes throughout the building that create a pathway to where the duress is taking place, so staff who are not near the incident know where to go to help the individual. And then fourth, our alarm system is activated, and it knows that there's a duress taking place and exactly where it is, and this goes to the monitoring station right away until we turn it off. So we can turn it off and then reset the system. And if you don't reset, if you acknowledge the alarm but don't reset the system, it goes back. So now we've rearmed the system, and the lights will turn out after the last video. So this is a completely oh, and I should mention now the music goes right back. So this is a completely customizable system that we invented, and you can use the artificial intelligence voices to say anything you want to say. You can have an unlimited number of zones practically, and each one can have a different audio recording to say whatever you want to say, whatever language you want to say. We support 26 different languages, and we can have any number of responses. So we don't have to, it's not limited to strobes. We can have strobes, we can have horns, we can make an automated telephone call, literally integrate with your building automation. Whatever you can imagine, we can make it now that we've got this platform. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.